Hi, this is Kate, and welcome to the final video of my blog and how it looks so far. I will say that to me, this is still a work in progress and something that I will continue to work on beyond the scope of this course. For today, I'll take you through a quick walkthrough. This is when you open up my page, this is what we first see. We see my title, my caption. I've pinned my About section because I think it's important to know context for all the posts that are upcoming, as well as my disclaimer. Along the side here, if you want to jump into posts, you can hop into whatever category you're looking for. You have an opportunity to join my email following or follow me on Twitter, and I've linked all my Twitter feed is standard on my front page. Coming down, we just hop right into my posts. I talk about various topics, for example, eating disorder treatment. And one thing I've tried to do in my posts is to link back to previous posts. So each post, it does contain links to previous posts to keep everything flowing together and to tie it all together. I use my own photographs and I share my own personal experiences. Other things I've done are linked relevant videos where I can. So for me, this topic was about eating disorder treatment, so I linked to the National Eating Disorder Association video on treatment. I've had a lot of fun creating this blog. It's used up a lot of creative juice. I've really enjoyed it. It's pretty basic right now, but my hope is that it will fuel conversation and create a community and eventually expand beyond what you see here, which is really just my writings, ramblings, if you will, photography, and what I feel to be interesting and relevant topics. So that's it. This is Moms in Recovery blog, signing out one last time. And thanks for everything. I've really enjoyed this class. I've learned a lot, and I look forward to growing my blog beyond this and changing some of the aesthetics and possibly creating a new template once I own my own domain. Thanks again, and peace out.